So today we're gonna prepare oven grilled chicken. So hope you guys enjoy.
No, says Jordan Mars representing for Henry and the Soul 5 family. I just want to tell everybody to subscribe to me YouTube.
What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend. Out here, we are doing it.
What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry. And also we're back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Where they do it like every day. So you know, so today we just go on a little simple chicken recipe today. We are do some grilled chicken, but here what the twist about this. We are gonna do the grilled chicken in the oven. So we are gonna show you the trick about this. So we have egg powder. We have the egg powder and the browning to catch the color. So now just follow me in the kitchen. Wow, make a step this up. I'll get right into the video, people. Alright, people, you hear the trick about this chicken and now, people. You hear what we are gonna do. Alright, you know, so when you go up on the grill, you are gonna get the grill look. So we are gonna make our own grill look. Because so we are gonna put in the oven. That's why I'm showing you a trick about this.
Why, Judge? Where you go from there, Judge?
No, I don't know.
Judge, you coming up here, son?
I don't know.
If you can't,
Alright, so people, here what we're going now. You see, when the heat reach the chicken, it will go close up back. But it will left the grill mark on it. So you're just gonna, alright, so when I cut a grilled chicken, people, we cut the chicken in half. This is how we do grilled chicken, we cut it in half. See, just see if you have your one chicken, just do it like this, just like this. Insert your cut into the chicken, people. So when the heat catch it, it will go close up and it will left the grill mark. So you don't need a grill for the grilled chicken. You can do it in the oven. See, alright. The trick about doing a grilled chicken now, forget the nice smoke flavor. You have a thing what them call hickory. It's a liquid smoke. So when you use a liquid smoke, we use it and season it. So you just go one cut. I do the same thing to the thigh, to the breast. And this chicken I go take like about 1 hour and 35 minutes. 1 hour to 35 minutes. So here I go beat the chicken now, people. 30 minutes at 300 degrees Celsius first. Then you go take it out. You go turn the chicken. When I say turn the chicken, I mean turn the tray. You go turn the tray. Then you go put it for bake for your next 35 minutes on 350 degrees Celsius because you don't want the chicken to dry out. It's like you're going to steam it first at 300 degrees Celsius. Then the next 35 minutes you're going to do it for on 350. Then after that you're going to throw off the stock. Alright, people, my idea when doing my chicken, we use onion, carrot, and scallion. And we have a piece of Irish, so we are going to roast the vegetable. So we are going to layer the vegetable on the bottom, then we are going to put the chicken on the top. So all of the flavor of this, and then we are going to put our garlic. All of the flavor out of the season are going to go up in the chicken, same way. So we already seasoned, but we still are going to use get more flavor in the chicken. So yes, people, when using a board, or say we wash a board clean, ready for cut with vegetable. So here, when using a cutting board, you have to ensure. When I say ensure, I mean ensure say you have a damp towel place. Then you put your cutting board on it. Because when you cut, the board are going to probably move and it's going to cut you.
Well, what kind of chicken you have last one, girl?
Grilled chicken. So people, the way we season with chicken you know, it's like we use, if you want to know how we season the grilled chicken, I have a video part now where I show you how we season grilled chicken. So, on just
Grilled chicken, curry board.
the video I got there at the end of this video people, so you can just go over and watch the video. They're showing how we season grilled chicken in a bulk. So we pour we season.
Jesus Christ.
So this carrot you can use as garnish at the end of it and you can eat it here because it's roast. It's gonna be roast.
Yes, practice PRAT.
And remember people, when you cut, ensure your fingers stay like this. So listen and listen and listen and listen. Yeah, and before we go any further in the video people, please do remember, subscribe, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend. See, we're there. On another video people, every day.
So you know, not all of it. Yeah.
So, over Irish. For Irish. So folks, this is the idea. We have the season. Then we're going to put the chicken on top of this. Yeah.
You know what you, maybe you go from cabbage.
Turn the chicken now. 35 minutes has passed. So we're going to turn it. Then put it back in for another 35 minutes and turn up the temperature. After the next 35 minutes, we're going to take out the chicken and we're going to pour off the stock off of the chicken. Then we're going to put it in back for your next 20 minutes. Then we're going to sauce the chicken. So here we are going to do now, we're going to sauce. So we have the sauce right here. And we're going to use this thyme. So when you use the thyme and brush the chicken, you get the fragrance and the flavor of the thyme onto your chicken. People use brush, but pastry brush, but the thyme does the job better. So here's the trick about it. You just use it. Look at, it's like you salt the chicken. And we are going to sauce this chicken 2 times, people. I put it back in the oven for like 10 minutes. I take it out back and we're going to sauce it. Alright, these are the famous chicken neck. But we can't left out. Every Jamaican know about jerk chicken neck. Fried chicken neck. Yeah. So this is grilled chicken neck. Yeah, we use, in Jamaica we use every part of the chicken. Except the inside. The inside can't use. And I want another talking in a video. We're done, you know.
Make we lift up the world, yeah. Hear me now. Take a look at the world now. Look at the world. How all the people